What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an ad campaign on Twitter. Twitter is a well-known platform with millions if not billions of daily visitors, so advertising for your business or your website on Twitter is a great way to get more clients or more visitors to your website and more clients to your business. So let's get right to it. First of all, you'll need to go to this website ads.twitter.com and you will land on this page right here. So you can either sign up or get started if you do already have a Twitter account. So I'm gonna go ahead and create an account and get back to you. Okay, now the setup process is finished. After I entered my password and my details and everything and answered some simple questions, I've landed on this page right here where I can go ahead and start creating my ad campaign. So here they'll tell you that they have over 500 million people turn to Twitter to discover what's happening in the world. So that's a great opportunity for you to grow your business. Now let's click on Get Started to start creating our campaign. Here you select your country or region. So here I'm in Egypt, so I'll select Egypt. The time zone, you can select it, however I'll leave it as it is. And they say that you will be billed in USD, US dollars. That's fine by me. Now let's click on create your first keyword ad. Okay, now you want to select your goal for the ad. So if you want more reach, want your account to reach more people, you want more engagements, so retweets, likes, replies, and clicks. If you want website traffics for your website. However, for this video, I'll choose reach. So I'll click on reach and then click next. So the ad text, and here you will get a preview of what your ad will look like. So let's say get 50% off. Okay, and here you can mention people. You can add people to mention here, and you can add media. You can add like photos. So I'll add a photo to a product. Let's say I sell a product and I'm running like a discount, so 50% off. So browse your device here to add product, add the picture of the product. So let's say this is the one, a cable, a picture of a cable. Okay, save. And then choose this photo. And as you can see here, the preview updated instantly. So that's how your ad will look like. Now let's confirm. And here you can add other media, other photos, or remove this current one. Okay, now let's click on next. Okay, verification is underway. So you'll need to be verified or to get verified, of course, on Twitter in order to continue creating your campaign. So your campaign is pending now. So it's pending verification. It will take like from 24 to 48 hours. So, okay. However, you can still edit the different settings for demographic and target audiences and so on. So, however, you will not be able to launch it before you get verified. So, demographics, you can choose the demographics. So, the people you want your ad to reach. So, for men, women, or any. So, let's say I want to reach more men in an age range of like 25 and up. Okay. You can select a specific location or a radius. So in Egypt, let's say I want to target people in the United States. Okay. And United Kingdom. And in like, let's say France, for example. Okay. Okay, that seems good. And you can also delete the countries or the region that you chose. Now, the targeting features, this is the most crucial step. So you want to enter the keywords that you want your ad to appear once the person searches for them. So let's say you want to sell cables. So when a person searches for a computer cable, okay, you want your ad to show up, or data cable. Okay, or cable, for example. So You can add as many keywords as you want to. Okay, the follower lookalikes, you can leave this as you want to. Now, the operating system, you can choose on which platform you want your ad to appear. I'll go ahead and choose all of them. And when you choose one, you can also choose the version. So like in iOS, on iPhone, you can choose the iOS version on which you want your ad to appear. So I'll leave it as it is. I want my ad to appear on all operating systems. Now, the interests, here I am selling like hardware or computer parts. So let's say hobbies and interests. Okay. Design. Okay, let's say home and garden. Appliances. Okay, that's good. Now, your language, you can leave it as it is, or like in my case, it's English. Okay. Now, as you can see here, you cannot launch the campaign, as I told you, because we haven't verified it yet. Now, you want to select your budget. So, depending on your budget per day, of course, the higher the budget, the more people you can reach with your campaign. So, here you can select a budget. You can, here it's set by default to like $50 a day. I want to pay like 40, okay? And I can select a date range in which I want my ad to run. So from the 13th of November till the 26th. Okay, let's say, no, I want it till from the 13th till 20. Okay, that's looking good. Now, here you want to add a payment method. Of course, if you want to run an ad campaign, you'll need to pay for the campaign. Here, the budget for the campaign, you want to pay it. So you want to add a payment method. So depending on your country, they'll can offer other payment methods. In my country, the payment method that is available is by credit card. So here you can click to add a card and you'll enter your info here and save the card in order to be able to pay for the campaign. And once you finish all the details here, you will get a summary. So they'll tell you that your reach potential is from 2.4 thousand to 2.7 thousand people reached. And here the gender and the age that I selected. Of course, everything is here for me to edit if I want to. And the keywords, the operating systems, and everything. So once you add your credit card or your payment method and you get verified on Twitter, or X as it's called now, you can successfully launch your ad campaign and get more people to view your ad and click on it. And that's how easy it is to create ad campaigns on Twitter.